Hello, this is Olga from Fuzhou Henseng Hardware Co. Limited. Today, I want to introduce a kind of fitting. It's clapper. It's believed that you all know its application. And a paper drawing pocket, we use clapper to erase in order to fasten other characters. We have many types of clapper. Now I will introduce keyboard clapper for you. It's made of band, screw, axle, and sleeve. Its breaking torque is from 5 to 14 Nm. And we have 3 materials. This is W1, all thin plated. It has 2 colors, yellow and white. This is W2, screw, sleeve, and axle, adapter galvanized iron, others adapter stainless steel. And this W4, all adapter stainless steel. Of course, you can choose suitable material depending on your demand. And if you are interested in our keyboard clapper, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.